Welcome! Today in front of me I have the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro, and in this video I will unbox this brand new drone and we'll together see what accessories, what items it comes with, and just will have a general first look at the drone to see if it is any good. So let's begin. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So, obviously we'll need to begin by opening the box itself. My edition, or the bundle that I have on my hands, comes with a travel bag, which at the first glance looks pretty, pretty fine. I think I can recall some other DJI drones, or at least some particular bundles of previous models that I've unboxed, which also came with this travel bag included, which is a nice touch. The travel bag itself is let's actually see what the travel bag itself looks like. So those are the dimensions compared to the box, or to my hands. Everything, all the drones, accessories and everything else is neatly packed inside of it. So let's unzip the bag real quick and actually get to the good stuff. So here actually at the top you have this little pocket which you can put your wires in, your paperwork in, just your default mesh compartment, like pretty much any or almost any other travel bag would have had. Now, here is the star of the show, the drone, the aircraft itself. I really hope that the exposure is set correctly right now so you can actually see what it looks like while having the background of this pitch black travel bag. Anyway, let's remove the gimbal or the camera protection here and try to unfold the drone legs to just see this little guy in its full glory. You'll first need to unfold the bottom legs, and then the front legs, and then the rear ones. And that's what this bad boy looks like, unfolded or assembled. Now, moving on, what do we have here as well? Obviously the remote controller, your pretty classic DJI form factor controller, but this one has the built-in screen. Yep, looks like any other DJI screen on controller to me. Here, actually at its back you have the joysticks, which you'll need to take out of here and screw onto the actual controls, just like that, just like you would screw the bolt or pretty much anything else of that fashion. So that's the RC, or the remote controller, out of the way. Let's keep digging and hoping that we'll actually find something unusual here. Won't happen, I think. Anyway, here I also have the charging compartment, coming with 2 batteries. The third one is already inserted into the drone itself, so I guess, right? Yep, here it is. So once again, my bundle, my edition, comes with 3 batteries, as well as the battery charging station. So you can put up to 3 batteries simultaneously here and charge them at the same time. Very convenient if you ask me. So here's the power button on it and the actual charging port. Next, let's see what do we have when it comes to actual accessories, wires, spare parts and such. So I would expect this box to contain everything else. So let's get the travel bag out of the way and focus our attention on this little black box. So my bet is that it has wires, obviously, type C to type C. 2 of them, I would assume, and also 1 bundle of spare propeller blades, as well as the screwdriver, of course. So that's my bet. Let me actually quickly switch off the drone so it wouldn't flash the lights at us. I guess I did it. Yep. So now let's quickly get back to this black box and actually see if my my wager was any good. So here is one Type-C to Type-C charging / connection wire. Here we have actually two, I guess, yeah? One and a half. When it comes to the amount of spare parts. So in total there are 6 spare propeller blades, or the fan blades. We also have the Actually, I'm pretty confused on what this thing actually is, to be perfectly honest. Oh, yeah, but looks like the lenses for the drone's camera at this point. So yeah, those are probably some polarizing lenses or something like that. Just some additional lenses for recording stuff. Don't quote me on that because I'm not that proficient in videography or just cameras in general. But yeah, those definitely seem to be some additional optional lenses for the drone's camera, so you can put them on somehow and get more polarized picture, or just get some get another lens effect or whatever. You guys probably know this stuff better than I do. So this one I didn't expect, so my wager is at this point lost, I guess. Now here we have a bunch of paperwork, some stickers too by the looks of it, but nothing too exciting, to be perfectly honest with you guys. And that actually seems to be it. I do not see anything else inside this box. It seems to have like a double bottom for some reason, but yeah, it's entirely empty. Okay, it's emptied by now, I guess. And well, as far as the unboxing accessories go, that'll be. So let's quickly, make it too long didn't watch part. So, or TLDW, I guess. So you get the aircraft, you get the remote controller with the screen, so you won't need to connect the drone to your phone, I guess. You can just fly it through the included remote controller, or at least it is included in my edition, in my bundle of DJI Mini 5 Pro. Sorry for that. You also get a bundle of additional camera lenses, 6 replacement or spare propellers, 1 Type-C to Type-C wire, paperwork, stickers, nothing too exciting. You also get 3 aircraft batteries in total. As I mentioned previously in the video, 2 of them are currently inserted into the this little battery bundle, or just thing that you charge batteries with on mass. And the third one is of course inserted into the drone itself. And well, that's it, guys. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.